Good morning, friends. We are at the end part of election and presentation, right? And the last part is of this chapter is electoral reforms. इलेक्ट्रल चुनाव में के अंदर जो नए रिफॉर्म्स आने होते हैं उन न्यू रिफॉर्म्स. Why we have to new reform? Because always there should be new leaves. Otherwise, the system will be stagnated. Right, stagnated, and stagnation should not be there. Right. So what type we have to have electoral? How is the electoral? For example, earlier we were used to have 21 years of age when you go for the vote. Now it's 18 years of age. Right. There was a lot of changes, lot of things which is coming new. That is called reforms. Okay. Electoral reforms, point number one, there should be special provision to ensure that at least 1/3 women are elected to the parliament. In the parliament, reservation should be for women. There should be women reservation also, so that they can also get the equal chance like men. Number one. Number two, there should be a stricter provision to control the role of money in electoral politics. Not role of money in electoral politics, role of criminalization in the Indian politics. It should be controlled thoroughly. Right, money and politics, money and criminals. The election expenses should be paid by the government out of a special fund. Now, candidates with any criminal case should be barred from contesting elections even their appeal is pending before the court. If a person is caught that the person is a criminal and a nature of the criminal nature and a criminal case is pending in the court, he should not be allowed. There should be a complete ban on the use of caste and religious appeals in the campaign. Casteism is still there. Still, in many parts of India, they go for the part of caste. They don't know the party, they know the people. They know the people's caste. If the Brahmins are there, all the people relating to the Brahmin family, Brahmin caste, they will go for the vote. If the person is from the reserve candidate, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, all the people go for the scheduled caste and scheduled to go for the vote. This caste system should be banned. And there should be law to regulate the functions of political parties and to ensure that they function in a transparent and democratic manner. It is very important. Transparent and democratic manner. Electoral reform should be absolutely strictly should be regulate. Right, regulation should be there. Regulator should be there. Electoral regulator. Election commission should have more power to control the electoral parties, so that criminals should be prohibited. Money and should not be flow like a water during the election process. So there are but a few suggestions. These are the few suggestions. There could be much more suggestions, but only suggestions will not be solve the problem. We should implement it by rule and law. There is no consensus about these suggestions. Consensus भी नहीं है. अभी तक तो हम वुमेन रिजर्वेशन को नहीं ला पाए हमारे पार्लियामेंट में. The important people